Hi friends, welcome to my channel Srikar Rail Plan. Today onwards, 15/8/2021. This is one of the good news for Southern Railway people and the passengers who are travelling between Chennai and New Delhi. Today onwards, Chennai Central New Delhi Grand Trunk Express, also known as GT Express, running with LHB coaches. In this train, I will give a full complete detail. I will show the interiors of second sitting, first AC, second AC, third AC, pantry car and loco coupling. I will show everything friends. आप किस में जा रहे हैं? एसी में जा रहे हैं, स्लीपर में जा रहे हैं? स्लीपर में जा रहे हैं, एसी में जा रहे हैं? This is GT Express first AC coaches. In first AC coaches we have couple compartments and double compartments. This is first AC coach double compartment. This is upper berth and down berth and everything available. This is first AC coach, four seater. Before I seen two seater, it is four seater. Okay, these steps we can board also. This is GT Express first AC coach. Before I seen two sitting couple and this four sitting couple. See, any passengers can board from this area. From climb to it can reach the upper seat. And everything available, charging available, mobile socket available, bell available. Hi friends, this is third AC compartment. Before we covered first AC and second AC, this third AC. What is the difference between first AC? First AC side lower is not available, side upper is not available. In second AC, middle berth is not available. But in third AC, same like sleeper only. But what is the difference between third AC and sleeper? Here a glass window is available. If you see in sleeper coach, this glass window is not available. सदर तो डाटिए थैंक यू Before we covered first AC, second AC and third AC. Now I am showing the sleeper compartments. Hi friends, before video I explained that in third AC is the closed window, but in sleeper it is the open window. That is the difference between the third AC and sleeper. Remaining all same. Washrooms of this coaches. This sleeper washroom coaches. I think water not filled. For auto bike. Everything good, super washroom. Hi friends, now I will show the pantry car of coach of this train. The new pantry car coach. This is LHB pantry car coach. भैया मैं यूट्यूबर है भैया यूट्यूबर है अपलोड करते यूट्यूबर है नया कोच है ना असली ले रहे नहीं तो नहीं लेते अब गलत मत समझो ऑल द बेस्ट भैया आ जा इधर दूर ना स्टोर पर Hi friends, just now we seen the pantry car coach of GT Express. Super pantry car coach here. They denied to shoot the video, but I explained, and the YouTuber means they allowed to make the video. Now I will show the second sitting coaches and locomotive coupling. See one side parcel, one side. అది పై కనకూడదు పక్క కనాలి ఓకేనా ఆల్ ది హ్యాపీ జర్నీ జరగండి సార్ వెయిట్ करो भाई VAP 7 Lalaguda locomotive was coupling to GT Express. GT Express was today running with new LHB coaches with Lalaguda VAP 7 locomotive. You can see back side. finally our GT Express was electrified, and the electrified GT Express was consists of 22 coaches, 10 sleeper coaches, 3 third AC coaches, 3 second AC coaches, 1 first AC coach, 2 second AC coaches, 2 generator cars, including 1 pantry car. It will depart from MGR Chennai Central 1850 on first day. It will reach New Delhi on third day early morning 6:35 AM. Bye.